Ito na yun, sir, na church?
Ito yung simbahan to. Ito yung simbahan ng Tagbilaran. Tingnan ko pa ito yung St. Joseph Cathedral. Tagbilaran Church. Puntahan natin yung Backline Church. Yun po yung Immaculada Concepcion.
Welcome to the beautiful Bohol. Let's go and discover this place.
Na-restore na ito ma'am kasi may earthquake dito noong 2013.
Ah, 2013?
Oh, yung
recently lang. Ano na? Hindi.
Earthquake
Pala, sorry.
Coral Stone Church po.
Stop. We're here at Lemoore and Butterfly Park.
Ito yung guide yung madam.
Hello guys, welcome to my vlog.
Welcome.
Since you're here in the Butterfly Closer, I want to show you the pupa, man, or chrysalis.
What's that, sir?
It's a chrysalis.
English speaking si Kuya.
Ay, Tagalog. Tagalog ko Korean.
That's like a gold, it's a natural color, natural. Ma'am, try to hold this one on the summer, moving on, they're making wiggle.
Where?
Yeah, that one, try to hold it like that. Try, wiggle like that one. Don't squeeze it.
Oh.
They're making wiggle.
Uy! Sibaw na lang. single.
Sir, you're looking for Filipina.
There, to Pilipina.
Filipina wife?
Ano? Phone. Picture.
Paparoji. Anong nagpaasa sa akin? Baka nagpa-pretend kayo sa... Gaya ko sa babae ko, nalibre lang. Pinakapait talaga, ma'am. Yan naman, eclectus. Yung my partner, ma'am, it's Sanconyor. Yan naman, eclectus, Ratos. May ka-partner yung dati, kaso lang nagkahiwalay.
Asan na?
Walang kinagtag.
Cute.
Yan naman si Kalaw.
Kalaw.
Ito walang partner. Parang lasingin. Lasingin sa Kalaw. Dito dito may flying lemur dito. Sir, Pilipina, munol boy. Isama ko na lang sila kasi kawawa. Yaman, walang mag-assist.
Ang galing mo, marunong ka na mag-Korean.
Huwag naman, hindi ko na yung sarili ko. Walang... Masaya lang ako sa paningin mo, pero yung puso ko...
Durog na? Oo.
Pilipina. Speak Korean, Chokoman.
잘해.